Price of Bitcoin surging again this morning, passing through the $73,000 level. Ethereum now up over 4,000. Joining us right now is Michael Novogratz.
Time high of $72,000 after the UK's financial regulator, the FCA, says it will not object to the creation of crypto-backed exchange-traded notes for institutional investors.
In this video, we are going to analyze Bitcoin. As you know, guys, Bitcoin reached its ultimate high, which is $73,000. So one Bitcoin is equal to today 73,000. So let's analyze the chart and where is Bitcoin heading. Is it possible for Bitcoin to reach 100,000 this year or more than $100,000? So of course, guys, when this year started, Bitcoin really started very strong, and especially this February, last February, you can see Bitcoin how it moves. So now if we read the price action, if we analyze the chart, so guys, as you know, the history of Bitcoin, you know, in 2015, you know, one Bitcoin, you can see the price here. In 2017, one Bitcoin was equal $18,000, and now I think 2021 was when it reached its ultimate high, which was a $69,000. But after it hit this record here, guys, you can see in 2022 Bitcoin was dropping. So you can see the price action. So Bitcoin back to 15,000, and now of course everybody was expecting, as Bitcoin reached it is down, which is 15,000 Bitcoin, everybody was expecting to rise the price, and exactly it happened. So now Bitcoin it breaks its ultimate high ever here, if you see it, and now it's almost 73,000. So if we analyze, okay, the market, the price action, sometimes, guys, to be honest, we can forecast the price action. Okay, so for example, I will give you an example here. When we had this impulse, okay, here we had little ascending channel, we get impulse, then we get the price make consolidation here. Okay, after that you can see we get another impulse, and then if we come for a daily time frame, we can see that here we get a correction, and of course this correction we get another impulse, then we get a little correction, continuation. So all of this, okay, shows you that the price is moving up trend. And so now if we read the price action, okay, guys, especially if we come to 4-hour time frame, I will show you here. So you can see the price start a little bit ranging here. Okay, so what does this shows you, guys? Okay, this can show you the price can pull back. Okay, I think, in my opinion, guys, buying Bitcoin at the moment, which is 73,000, I think is very risky. So it's always, you have to wait the market to pull back. Okay, so if you look, you know, always when the price moves strong, guys, always it comes back. Don't forget that. So that's why Bitcoin we are expecting, guys, to return, and at least where it can come back. So I think it will be a good idea, okay, if the price of Bitcoin back to here, which is 48,000, then I think yes, you can buy it, you know. But for now, which is 73,000, I think buying Bitcoin for at this level is very risky. Of course, like I'm not a Bitcoin expert guy, but at least I can analyze the market, I can see the price action, I can read it. So that's why it's good for you to wait the market and see what kind of opportunity you can get. Sometimes you see, guys, some people, when Bitcoin was somewhere here, they were selling. Okay, so that's not good. But actually now it's it almost pricked it reached ultimate high record ever. So that's why now we are expecting, guys, Bitcoin at least to pull back. So that means if this structure become, guys, true and Bitcoin reach somewhere here, so that means you will get more opportunity. But there is one thing sure, guys, okay? There is one thing sure. Bitcoin, as people forecasting, Bitcoin in this 2024, it will reach, guys, more than 100,000, okay? So everything is possible, okay? But sometimes, you know, for people, remember, okay, I will show you one example here. I remember 2021 when the price of Bitcoin was 69, almost 70,000. Some people were even buying here. So that's not right, you know. For me, I was tracking Bitcoin, even I knew it when it was there, but I knew it will come back. So always the market will give you opportunity, guys. There is nothing like just going up like a rocket, okay? Just wait the market to give you a pullback, to give you a lower interest, and then you can buy Bitcoins. So some Bitcoin. So that's what happened exactly. And now always the market makes what it done previous, okay? So the market structure never lies, guys. So be careful, okay? Be careful. What happened here can exactly happen to you in here, okay? Don't forget that. Bitcoin, of course, everybody says, oh, Bitcoin, the price is almost 73. Of course, like some people will put their money and they think like, oh, it will go much higher than this. Of course it will go, but how it goes, it's not going like this. It goes like step by step, okay? So let's say if the price come back to 49, yes, at least you can buy. How about imagine if the price come back to here, which is 25,000. So that means you lost your money, you know. Always wait the market, okay? At least when it break this kind of level, okay? This double top, when it breaks, always like the market shows you that it will come back. So for my forecast on Bitcoin, guys, yes, Bitcoin will reach this year ultimate high, which more than 100,000. And every time the market gives a clear structures, we can predict, we can see whether the price of Bitcoin will rise or not. So of course, guys, in the upcoming videos, I will let you know when Bitcoin reaches a good level that you can buy it, or like that. Of course, I think the people who is selling, who is trading for Bitcoin as a normal market, is good for opportunity for them, I think, to sell the market, okay? So I'm sure they will benefit. But those who want just to buy normal Bitcoin and hold it, so I think, guys, you should wait the market and watch it. That's what I'm gonna advise. Of course, any opportunity if I saw on Bitcoin, I will let you know. That's it for all.